Hello guys, so now we are at big best corner. So this one I order mincemeat porridge, you know. The Bryson one is fast food. The cangkok manis with chicken nestem.
Nestem.
And yours, Nabi?
Is kung
Pao,
pork,
pork, and then paku,
and then
terong.
terong
Di sambal.
papal. Okay.
Lanjut makan.
That is the best corner.
Best corner. Toyota best corner.
Toyota best corner.
Wow, finish, B. The food here just now is all still hot, no, B?
Yeah, all hot.
The lauk, all still hot. The Bryson one almost finished there. Wow, there. Halfway. You know, they did tapao that one, Chinese pancake, they call it. Now waiting for our pancake. It's at the side there. That side is big canteen. So we are at best corner. So look at that, guys.
XXL
This
hot
one
dog
just
wrap.
now is XXL
Hot dog
wrap. There. Hey, you see the hot dog there?
Very big.
Touring it, you know, beyond.
Touring it.
And then they say got chicken floss some more.
Got chicken floss inside.
Got hot dog again there. Ooh.
Instead of sauce.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Finish our food, guys. Finish. Ludes. Ludes means finish. Bio. Hello, guys. So we are at Westfield, 6 miles. Okay. So stay tuned.
Warehouse. Wah. So masuk straight away cloth. Finish your drink? Yeah. So masuk straight away cloth. Boom space. Speaker.
I thought Uniqlo, you know.
See.
Wow, so cold.
Mommy.
Annual fee.
Oh, mommy.
Oh,
Many things.
They must go away.
what's that then? T-shirt.
So big that trolley. And then trolley. Bagus.
Can decide on? There, this one. Very thick. Material thick.
Tak oleh dia. Ada peminat ke? Hmm. Hmm.
Hands-on,
Hands-on.
guys. It's not handsome, it's hands-on.
Hands-on. They are diligent.
Oh, mana? Dress. Skirt.
Skirt. Skirt this color so dia. Skirt this color so.
Tuli kah?
Color.
Tuli.
Tuli.
Sudah basah baju.
Ya.
Sudah basah baju.
Material is very soft material.
Basah baju.
RM30, guys. Come. Kita nak nanti.
Oh, here and there only the thing.
Tengok.
So many things here.
Many things. This one is called what, Jana? Houseware. Warehouse. Warehouse. Oh, warehouse. Macam want to camping to go camping. Cannot sit down there. Come. What daddy buy there? Daddy, what you buy, daddy?
Portable barbecue.
Portable barbecue. Want to barbecue
Barbecue.
There, daddy buy portable barbecue. That one got stand got stand. It's okay. That one no stand.
Ya, mami. Mami.
Habis? Oh, so this is how it look like. This one Janabi.
Aku barbecue
They're the same. This one is the type that easy to clean, be. This one, be.
Yeah.
This one. Oh, just take out this one, and then just put the arang here. Very sharp this thing. Careful, there. One, and then cover. And then this one is for what, be? Put the thing to lock. And then can put the thing also here. Okay. Come. Again. This is the table there now. So all for the camping, for camping stuff.
Very portable.
Portable. Is it heavy or light? Oh, see. Oh. Come.
Then
Computer table.
Mommy.
Isn't it to put the PC, CPU?
Mommy. Mommy, is this one, Mommy?
Come put here. This one, mommy want to buy to put at the kitchen. Put all the bawang.
What is that?
Bawangan.
What is that?
Careful. Come.
Mana?
I thought this one is IKEA aja now. Straight away. We got that one kah? Charcoal kah? Good. Okay.
For farming. For farming.
Put the racun rumput that one. Careful lah. That one after they will check or we check?
They need to see also.
Okay. Come. Shop that one ah. Come follow daddy pay, come. Come. Be drone, be. Drone. Ay, 120. 104. This one is cash only. Oh, cash and card. Babe. What you buying now? Portable barbecue grill. So long already want to get that one.
Heavy itu.
Heavy. Then inside there. The inside so they have here. And this one at the house beyond. Oh. Wow, see mommy hair.
Terbangan.
Spoil mommy hair there. Now we are at Ninso, guys. This one also newly opened today also. Today is 4th July.
The same building.
The same building also. Okay. There, Bryson there.
Warehouse.
Take photo, okay. So this is what we got from Everwin, guys. Which one, Nabi?
Okay, omega.
Nè, Omega X. Okay.
Mix it up.
Sedap. Maggi curry. Oh, what
Oh, got offer.
toothpaste? Oh, got offer. Okay. Nice one. What is that? Hello everybody. So thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.
Daddy,
Okay.
you want